In our discussion of low-speed collisions, there's one more thing to consider. Did your vehicle move as a result of the collision? Most vehicles weigh several thousand pounds. A collision that is strong enough to propel a car forward, even by a few inches, is plenty enough force to cause a whiplash injury.
After going through all these episodes on low-speed collisions, there really shouldn't be any dispute on whether a low-speed car accident can cause injuries, because it's been scientifically proven. In fact, it's been shown that bodily injury will take place at speeds as low as 2.5 miles per hour. It's also been shown that any accident that causes damage to your bumper is likely to cause injuries. And even in accidents where there is no outward physical damage to the vehicle, injury is likely. I'd love to hear what your experience has been. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.